thunderstorm was located 4 miles northwest of Berthoud, or 15 miles south of Fort Collins, moving south at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
Oh, it's popping now.
Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Northern Boulder, Longmont, Loveland, Windsor, Erie, Firestone, Johnstown, Frederick, Milliken, Berthoud, Tacona, Mead, Lyons, Carter Lake, Niwot, and Cedar Cove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado.
Don't worry, it'll probably be like heavy raining for like 30 seconds and then it will be like light and then it'll be gone. Colorado weather is so unpredictable, man. I've lived here my whole life, so I know how it goes. But this baby will keep me informed. You need these people, you need these.